Sometimes you may forget the password or the pattern you set for your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open your Android phone if you've forgotten the pattern or the password, alphanumeric password precisely. Welcome viewer to Tech Revealer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock both your Android phone password and your Android phone pattern in case you forgot your lock code. So I'm going to be doing this using a secret code that many people are not aware of. Before I get started, I want to point out this disclaimer notice that this video is only and strictly for educational purpose. It is meant for people that has forgotten their lock password. Maybe they repaired their phone, or they've stayed a long time without using that particular phone, or their phone got spoiled and they forgot what they use as their phone lock password, precisely pattern and alphanumeric password. Let's get started, guys. So first, I'm going to start with the pattern. So quickly, we are going to apply this pattern to here. You can see it's a wrong pattern, incorrect pattern. Please try again later. Okay, so after that, you are going to dial the emergency number right here I'm going to give to you. Please be sure you dial the exact number I'm giving to you so that it works for you. Dial star 800-251-002 star 32007 So confirm the code you've dialed to be sure that is the exact thing I just typed right here. Press hash and you send. So it's going to tell you call failed. The number dialed is not an emergency number. So let's continue. You exit this emergency call section. Go back to the pattern environment. Click on cancel, where you're going to need to put your pattern, and you're going to draw this pattern again. So incorrect pattern, please try again later. Now I need to point this out. In case your phone has a particular period that you need to wait after inputting a wrong pattern, kindly wait for that period. Maximum period will be 500 seconds wait time, but if it has above 500 seconds wait time, then I may not guarantee you that it will work. So after that, go back to the emergency call section and you're going to input this code star 41000 5247 star 0000 hash. Send. Call failed. The number dialed is not an emergency number. Press OK. Now, after pressing OK, you're going to wait for minimum 20 seconds. While waiting for minimum 20 seconds, guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel in case it's not done so you get notified whenever I drop a new video. So wait for minimum 20 seconds, and when you do so, the last step is for us to apply our pattern and unlock the phone. And don't forget also that this particular method does not delete your data, does not wipe away your data. All the data in your phone are intact. So let's continue. And this is the last step. Draw this pattern with me. Start from the middle bottom, draw to the middle, you take it to this side, you take it all the way to the left so you can see it clearly. So you can see the phone is unlocked. Our phone is unlocked and we did not lose any data. So guys, that's how to unlock an Android phone that you've forgotten the pattern without losing any data. So let's go into how to unlock an alphanumeric password. In this second section, I'm going to show you how to unlock an Android phone with an alphanumeric password, a password containing letter, numbers, and special characters. If you've forgotten your Android phone alphanumeric password. So like I said in the first section, this is strictly for people who have forgotten their phone password and they want to unlock the password. So let's get started. Also, this method doesn't wipe away your data, so you are not going to lose your data. So the first thing you are going to do is to impute this alphanumeric password, which is you're going to do in caps E N G 1 1 2. That's capital letter E N G 1 1 2 and enter. So it's going to tell you incorrect password. It's okay. Go to the emergency call section. And you're going to dial this code star 7 4 0 0 2 1 3 star 5 6 0 0 4 5 7 hash. So confirm what you just typed and make sure it's correct. Send. So you're going to see this prompt, can't call, this number is not an emergency number. Press OK. So continue. Guys, before we continue, kindly like the video and be sure to subscribe so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. If you don't subscribe, you may likely not see my next video again. So let's continue. You're going to put in this alphanumeric code again, or password. AGP GP, all in caps, 520. So incorrect password. So we are going to enter the emergency call section again, and this is our second to the last step. So we're going to dial star 0 0 0 0 2 star 4 1 3 2 5 9. Press hash and send. Okay, so once you do this, you need to wait for minimum 20 seconds in order for you to apply the password so you can unlock your Android phone. Be sure you wait minimum 20 seconds so that this method will work on your phone. So once you do that, get over to your password section and input this password to unlock your phone, all in caps, O M G 6 0 2. So you can see our phone has been unlocked and with all our data intact. We did not lose any data. So that's how to unlock Android phone pattern and Android phone alphanumeric password lock if you've forgotten your lock pattern and password without losing any of your data. Guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.